Welcome back to my channel Skillset Go and welcome to Java programming tutorial. In this video we will learn what are the primitive data types in Java programming. So the basic data types in any program is called a primitive data types. In Java, other than the primitive data types, all others are created using classes. You can see here there is a class. So every class we will create an object instances. So apart from classes, there are primitive data types which are not created using a class instances. So those are byte, short, int, long, float, double, boolean and char. So these are the primitive data types in Java programming. So the difference between these are byte can occupy only 8 bit in memory. So if you want to store a smaller numbers, then you can use a byte data type. If you want to store a little bigger number which can occupy a 16 bit, then we can use short data type. And int is for the bigger numbers which can occupy 32 bit memory. And there are lot more bigger numbers. So for that we can use a long which is 64 bit size. And other data types like float which is 32 bit size, double which is 64 bit size, and boolean which can store only false and true, that will occupy only 1 bit in memory, and character which can occupy a 16 bit memory. So now we will create a variable using these data types and try to assign a value. So here I mentioned int and integer. So this is the maximum integer that int can assign, int can store. And long, for long, this is the maximum number that long can store. Now we will create a variables and initiate values. So first let's create a byte variable. Byte variable equal to, let's assign a value 4. So byte is a 8 bit size, so only smaller numbers can be assigned to this byte variable. If we try to assign a bigger numbers, then we will get errors. Let's try to assign a bigger number which is 200. Now compiler will throw an error, type mismatch, cannot convert from int to byte. So now this is considering as int and it cannot fit into 8 bit size. That's why we are getting an error. Let's assign 4 and let's go to short variable equal to, now let's assign 200. So now we are not getting error because short is a 16 bit memory, so 200 can fit into that memory. And let's go to int. Now int is little more bigger numbers, int var, and the range of the int variables, int values will be, the maximum will be this number and the minimum will be the negative of this number. So let's assign this number to the integer. So this is the maximum number that integer can occupy. If you try to assign a bigger number than this, then we will get an error. Let's increase to 8. Now we will get an error, literal of type int. So we will get error, literal of type int is out of range. So this is the maximum number that int can occupy. If you try to assign a bigger number, we will get an error. So for bigger numbers we have a long data type, long variable, and the maximum number that long can occupy is this number. So here we will get an error saying literal of type int is out of range. For assigning a values to a long variable, we need to mention L at the end, signifying it is a long data type. So now we won't get an error. And this is the maximum number that long can occupy. If you try to assign bigger number than this, then we will get an error, literal type long is out of range. So only this much long can occupy. And negative side we can assign negative number. and the maximum number is positive of this number and the minimum number is negative of this number. For integer also, the maximum number is this much and the minimum number is negative of that number. Now we have seen byte, short, int, long, which are different from their sizes. Now let's go to float. Float is a 32-bit size data type, and we can assign a float mentioning 1.0. So we are getting an error, a mismatch cannot convert from double to float. So if you want to mention this is a float, then we need to mention f at the end. So here we mention L, here we need to mention f. This is a float number. And double is of size 64-bit, and let's assign a value decimal number, and here also we need to mention D at the end. So it is not mandatory here, without D also we are not getting any error. Let's mention D. And next we have a boolean. Boolean can occupy only values true or false, and this will occupy only 1 bit. So if it is a true, then the memory will have a 1. If it is false, then memory will have a 0. And next, char. And char we will assign like single quotes and mention any character. And character will occupy a 16-bit size. And these are the primitive data types in Java, different from their sizes. And let's print these values and see the result. Byte var short var int variable, long variable, float variable, double variable, bool and character variable. And let's execute this program and see the values we have assigned. So we have assigned 4 to byte, 200 short, integer, long, float, decimal, boolean and character. So this is all about primitive data types in Java program and their differences. This is all about primitive data types in Java. I hope you like this video and understood the difference between primitive data types and their sizes. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and please follow up for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.